Hi there, students. Today we're going to take a look at WeVideo and all the different features in this Go Slow video. So we're going to go into the classroom feature for WeVideo. So once you go into Classroom and you're working on your video project, you're going to find a lot of really fun features. So in WeVideo Classroom Experience, on the right-hand side, it says nothing to preview. This is going to be your video preview. As you're building your video, it's going to show up right here for you to play and see how it looks. On the left-hand side is your own media library. Any media that you use is going to be stored here for you to grab and drop into your video. You can make either one of these larger or smaller by grabbing this line right here when your arrow turns into a double arrow, and you can make your video wider or smaller depending on what you need. At the bottom of your video editor is where all the magic happens. You have some different tricks here, video and audio and text tracks, okay? So these tracks are rows, and you need to make sure that the right content goes in the correct row. If you have a video, like let's say this fun video, you're gonna grab and drop your video in the video track. If you have multiple video tracks, you can delete by touching the three dots on the right-hand side and hitting delete, or you can move them up and down. You can also add new tracks by hitting the plus sign. You can add a video or text track or an audio track, whatever you might need. The way your video works is whatever's on the top track is going to be seen first in your video. If you want your text to be shown on top of your video, then you're going to move the track up by clicking these three dots and clicking Move Up. Now, when I add text with the Add Text button, I can decide which text I want to use, and it will show up on top of my video. I simply click it and hit Add. Notice how my media went to my own media library. In order to use it for my video, I have to pick it up and put it in the video that I'm making. Take a look at what this looks like now. So here I have my text on top of my video because my text track is on top of my video track. If I want to change the words on my text track, all I have to do is double click by clicking this track 2 times. You could also hit the edit button. Either way will work. Now you can replace your text with your own text. Watch out. This is what I'm going to write. You can even change your color palette by clicking on the colors and picking whatever colors you want. When the text is just how you like it, then you can hit save. Notice how I'm moving the text around the screen by clicking the text and just moving it. I'm going to click Save Changes to save the changes I just made. Now you can watch as the text is right on top of my video. If you're wondering how I made my video, all I did was come to the top and I clicked record. You have 2 options for record, a video or your voice only. If you're doing a podcast or speaking over a picture, voice works great. If you want to record yourself, click video and activate your webcam. This will allow you to record yourself. I used a green piece of paper because I'm going to show you next how to remove the green piece of paper and replace it with something pretty cool. When you make a video, it shows up in your video library, and you'll need to grab it and drop it into your video track. In order to remove the green screen, I'm going to double click on my video at the bottom. When I do so, my editor pops up. There's lots of things I can do with my video, but for this clip that I'm sharing with you, I'm going to show you how to remove the keying. Click on the word keying on the left-hand side. There's a little eyedropper. Click it 1 time And now select your green paper to remove. Maybe you're using a background instead of a green piece of paper. This is the same way to remove the background. Once it looks kind of black, that means you did it right and you need to hit save. Now I can replace this black area with something else. In my video, I'm talking about crazy weather. So you might want to find a crazy weather that's dangerous to go behind. For mine, I went right here to our stock media library. All you have to do is click Add Media and click Stock Media. This will share videos, audio clips, or pictures that you might want to use for your video. Simply type in the word and search around. When you hover over a video clip, the video will play so you can see what the video is actually doing. The time tells you how long the video is. When you find the one you like, hit Add. It's going to go to your video library. When you find the just right clip, you're going to need to add it. But for this example, I need a new video row because I'm going to layer my videos. In order to add a video track, I'm hitting the plus sign and adding a new video track. I want my top video track to be myself, and I'm going to put the background on the second video clip. I just picked up my video and moved it to the top. Now I'm ready to grab this volcano and put it behind. Take a look at what the product looks like so far. Now I like kind of how it looks, but it's missing part of the volcano. So to edit where my video is positioned, I'm going to double click on the volcano picture. And now I can simply pick up and move the video around to fit on the space that I have. Watch as I click Save Changes. Now you can really see the volcano even through the position of the paper. This clip is a little longer than I need, so I'm going to move the blue line, which is my marker, to the end of where I want, and I'm going to cut so I can get rid of this extra video space. I'm going to find the scissors that say split, and I'm going to delete this extra clip that I don't need. Now my video fits right nice and neat on top of each other. If you want to add some extra audio, like maybe you're doing something with a tornado and want to add tornado sirens, you would go to Add Media, Stock Media, and you would search in the audio bank. You can search for files by name. And just make sure that your audio file goes in an audio track. When it comes to making a WeVideo, you just have to experiment and explore, moving pictures and videos around, editing, and even adding some fun transitions with these plus signs. They're all fun things that help you as a student learn how to build and edit your videos. There are a lot of fun features for you to explore. Rewatch any part of the video to know how to use the different features. Good luck!